Most people don't think about their camping grill until they're standing at a site trying to cook dinner on something that won't heat evenly, keeps wobbling on uneven ground, or takes half the trip just to set up. So today, I'm ranking the top 5 best portable grills for camping on Amazon right now, breaking down what actually works and what's worth skipping. Links for everything are down in the description. Let's get straight into it. Kicking things off at number 5, the Blackstone 1971 original 17-inch tabletop griddle. Now, this one is a little different from everything else on this list, and that's kind of the whole point. It's not a grill, it's a flat top griddle. And if you've never cooked on a flat top at a campsite, you're genuinely missing something. Think about it. A regular grill is great for burgers at dinner. But what about breakfast? Bacon, scrambled eggs, pancakes, hash browns. You can't do any of that on grill grates without everything falling through. With this Blackstone, you can do all of it. Same unit, same propane canister, every meal covered. The cooking surface is 267 square inches, plenty for 2 to 4 people. That H-style burner pushes 12,500 BTUs with even heat across the full surface. No hot spots, no cold edges. Setup is fast, push and turn piezo ignition, non-slip feet for stability on uneven terrain, compact enough for any car trunk. Cleanup is where it really earns its spot. Blackstone's patented rear grease management system channels everything into a catch cup. Wipe down the surface, empty the cup, done. At a campsite without running water, that's a genuine advantage. Main trade-off, no lid on this model. Wind picks up, it affects the flame, and obviously no grill marks. But if you want one unit that replaces both your camp stove and your grill, this does it. Pros, cooks any meal anytime, even heat across full surface. Rear grease management system, compact and lightweight design. Cons, no lid, wind affects flame. Zero grill marks on food. Alright, moving up to number 4, the Cuisinart CGG306 chef-style tabletop portable propane grill. This thing looks like someone shrunk a full-size backyard grill. Stainless steel all around, 2 separate burners, locking lid, folding legs. It gets double takes at the campsite. What makes it stand out is the dual burner setup. 2 independent 10,000 BTU burners for a combined 20,000 BTUs, real heat for a tabletop grill. And because they're independently controlled, you get high heat on one side for searing while the other side runs lower for chicken or keeping things warm. That kind of zone control is hard to find in a portable at this size. 275 square inches of cooking space, room for 8 burgers at once, weighs just 22 pounds. Twist start ignition, integrated lid thermometer, locking lid for clean transport, and 0 tools needed. You're grilling in under 10 minutes. One honest thing, this grill runs hot, heats up fast, and can overshoot if you're not watching. First couple of uses, stay close. Wind can also affect it in exposed spots. Pros, 2 fully independent heat zones, 20,000 BTUs of total power. Lightweight, 22-pound build. Up and cooking in 10 minutes. Cons, runs very hot, watch it. Wind affects open air performance. Now let's see how this compares. Number 3 is the Weber Q1200 liquid propane portable gas grill. Weber. Name speaks for itself. The Q1200 has been around for years because it just keeps delivering. The fundamentals are dialed in to a level most newer grills haven't matched. Cast aluminum body, around 31 pounds but noticeably solid. And those porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates are the real story here. Actual cast iron, the kind that retains and distributes heat the way thin grates simply can't. Real sear marks, real flavor. The single 8,000 BTU U-shaped burner might look modest on paper, but that dome design traps heat so efficiently that the internal chamber climbs above 500 degrees Fahrenheit within just a few minutes on high. The flame looks small, but the cooking environment is genuinely hot. Built-in lid thermometer from 150 to 600 degrees. Electronic ignition that fires on the first press. 2 folding side tables, removable catch pan. And the grates are a split design. Swap one out for a Q1000 series compatible griddle, sold separately. Flat top capability on the same grill. Pancakes in the morning, seared steak at dinner, same unit. Main limitation, 189 square inches. Feeding more than 3 or 4 people gets tight. The lid also doesn't lock for transport. Fine for most situations, just worth knowing. Pros, cast iron grates, superior heat retention. Dome design reaches 500 grit fast. Optional griddle conversion available. Durable cast aluminum construction. Cons, small 1 to 89 square inch surface. Lid doesn't lock for transport. Alright, number 2, the Coleman Road Trip 285 portable stand-up propane grill. This is the workhorse of the list. And the biggest thing separating it from everything else here is that it's a stand-up grill. Pop the quick fold legs, roll it out on the wheels, and it's standing at real cooking height on any terrain. No hunting for a picnic table, No balancing on the cooler. That one feature changes the camp cooking experience more than most people expect. 285 square inches of porcelain-coated cast iron grates. 3 independently adjustable burners, left, center, right, with output from 3,250 all the way to 20,000 BTUs. Low and slow for chicken, or cranked up for a fast sear. Genuine cooking control across different foods on the same trip. Insta-start push-button ignition, integrated lid thermometer, 2 sliding side tables, and when folded up, it stores upright, saves real space between camping trips. The swap top system is where this gets genuinely clever. Coleman makes interchangeable cooktops, griddle plates, stove grates that swap right into the same frame. One grill body, multiple cooking styles. Great for families cooking different things across a full weekend. Honest note, at nearly 48 pounds, this is heavy for a portable. Not the pick for hiking in. For car camping though, rolling it out of the trunk takes 30 seconds. Reviewers consistently say it heats fast, cooks evenly, and cleans up easy. Pros: stands alone, no table required. 3 independent cooking zones. Swap top cooktop system supported. Easy Insta-start push-button ignition. Cons: heavy at nearly 48 pounds. Swap top accessories sold separately. And the top pick, number 1, the Weber Traveler Compact Portable Gas Grill. Weber took the original Traveler, shrunk it down by 20%, and made it fit into compact car trunks without rearranging anything. At 32 inches wide and 37 pounds, it's the most packable standalone grill on this entire list. And nothing feels cut to get there. The setup is what gets people. One-handed operation, step on the leg, lift the handle, and a gas spring mechanism raises the grill and locks it in place automatically. That's it. No unfolding legs separately, no snapping pieces together. The lid latches automatically on fold down so transport is secure with 0 extra steps. Porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates. Same quality as Weber's full-size backyard lineup. Real sear, even heat. An 11,000 BTU burner with 240 square inches of cooking area. Enough to feed 4 people comfortably. Push-button ignition, built-in lid thermometer, tool hooks, folding side table, all-terrain wheels for grass, gravel, and dirt. And flexible propane. The 16-oz cylinder attaches directly, or run an adapter hose to a 20-pound tank for longer trips. Cleanup is front access grease removal. Scrape into the slot, slide out the drip pan, empty it, go. Backed by a 5-year limited warranty, not a 1-season product. Pros: one-handed setup in seconds. Fits most compact car trunks. Cast iron grates real sear quality. 5-year warranty included. Cons: priciest option on the list. Not suited for backpack camping. So let's wrap it up. For the overall best portable camping grill, fastest setup, best cooking performance, most packable, the Weber Traveler Compact is the clear winner. It's the one that just works from the moment you pull it out of the trunk. If you're feeding a bigger group and need a grill that stands on its own without a table, the Coleman Road Trip 285 is the move. Powerful and built for serious camp cooking. For a compact tabletop with proven reliability and real cast iron performance, the Weber Q1200 is hard to argue with. Years of camper trust, and that reputation is fully earned. If dual burner zone control and stainless steel build in a 22-pound package sounds right, the Cuisinart CGG306 is your pick. And if you want eggs and pancakes in the morning and smash burgers at night without hauling 2 pieces of gear, the Blackstone 17-inch griddle is a genuinely smart buy. So yeah, it comes down to how you camp, how many people you're feeding, and what kind of cooking you actually want to do out there. Hopefully this helped narrow it down. Thanks for watching, and if it did, a like before you head out really does help. See you in the next one.